Hi there and welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'll be showing you how I gift wrap. Now take note, this is a more elevated technique of gift wrapping that I've been doing for almost 15 years now. In another video, I'll be showing you a more traditional method of gift wrapping, which requires only single-sided tape if you'd like to keep things more simple. For now, take a peek into my wrapping style and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you love all things gift wrap. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. So the supplies that I use when gift wrapping are a roll of double stick tape, a roll of single-sided tape, a pair of scissors, some wrapping paper, and a gift box. What I like to do is wrap my gifts upside down. By the way, I like to reuse my gift boxes, which is why there's already some tape on this box. And if you're like me and you don't like going out to buy gift boxes, save your boxes in gift boxes. Collapse them, fold them, store them. They don't take up that much room, and it saves you from having to go to the store to buy specific sizes for gifts when you're wrapping late at night, which is usually when I'm wrapping my gifts. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I just have enough paper to cover the entire box. And how I do that is I measure the sides so long as it goes up halfway but not entirely covering the side. Then I'll cut the edge. And how I cut my paper, since I prefer my rolls to be straight, is I fold it along the edge and crease it all the way through. The pattern on the paper is not always straight, so I just like to crease it. What I'll do is I'll use my gift box to weigh my paper down while I cut it. It leaves for a clean edge when I'm going to use the paper next time around. And this paper is a foil paper, which I really love because it's easy to fold. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it all the way to make sure that I snip out any excess. So I'll just cut along the edge here. I'm using pink paper because this is my best friend's favorite color. And I'm going to set this piece aside for another project. And I will have another video on what I do with my extra scraps of paper, so stay tuned for that. So now what I'm going to do is bring the paper all the way to the edge here and crease the corners and tape this piece down. So we'll just use one piece of single-sided tape. And then I will put double stick tape on the edge here. You can put a few small pieces or a long strip going across. It doesn't even matter. But this is what gives us a clean look when we tape it to the edge here. So that's how we have that seamless corner. Now in doing the flaps, I'll start with long flap down first. And then I'll just put two pieces of tape on the side here. Like so. And then we'll fold the sides in and tape them down. So we use a little bit of double stick tape. And when folding this up, I like to actually fold the edge just so I can guarantee that it's a straight line. Fold my crease and put more double stick tape. how we get a clean look on the edge. And we'll do it on the other side as well. I'll also have another video coming up of the different types of supplies, such as wrapping paper, ribbon, scissors, and tape, and where you can buy them and the best time to buy them. This paper I actually bought from Ross, and I believe it was no more than $4. During the holidays, it gets pretty expensive buying wrapping supplies, so I can help you save money. See, this is a little bit crooked, so what I'll do is I'll fold this in, put some tape, and that is our gift. And that is how I gift wrap. In another video, I will show you how to do a bow. And there we have it. This is how I wrap my gifts. And in another video, I will show you how to do simple bows and fluffy bows. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye.